What's up, everybody? It's another video. Welcome you guys from Arusha, Tanzania. It's another beautiful day. We're going to explore Tanzania and how it feels when you're in Tanzania. We are heading to Maasai Market, and this is the road that comes all the way from Clock Tower. The Clock Tower is right there, and we are going all the way down. So let's go. Some beautiful shops around here. People are selling more and more stuff for the tourists. Right here is Arusha School. So if you want to come to Maasai Market, just know that it's close to Arusha School. Let's continue. I show you what's happening out here. Oh, somebody's calling me. I don't know who is this. Let's continue. So I'm showing you, this is the road that goes to the Maasai Market. It's beautiful out here. It's calm. I've seen some tourists coming out of the Maasai Market. So it's all love, it's all good. So let's go. So this is what it says here. Salama wakubwa. Nasema Maasai Market Courier and Craft. They say karibu, welcome. So this is it. Yeah. So we are entering. Let's come and let's go. Okay. Wow, the place is not that vibrant yet, but as you can see, there's a lot of people doing their work. Habari mama, poleni na kazi. Okay, so I have to make greetings and all that, but this one I'll just go through. I'll show you what is happening in here. Asante, habari. Yeah. So let's go and see. Salama mkuu. Yeah. So it's a lot to show. I don't know where to start. Yeah, thank you. Habari. Safi. Asante. Yeah, they're having a lot of stuff. Hi. Asante. Thank you. Wow, guys, I'm out of words. Asante. Wow. Yeah, thank you. Man, so much stuff. I just have to just watch first to go through it. Then hi, habari. Yeah, thank you.
Excuse me, brother.
Thank you. Yeah. So, yeah. Habari. I came here, I met this guy, he's painting. He's painting, he is preparing the canvas so that he can go and put the painting on it. So, jamaa unaitwa nani bwana? Bryson. I say, Bryson, umeifanya hii kazi muda gani? 5 years we've been doing this job. Yeah, wow, interesting. Na unaipenda, si ndio? Of course. And ulishapiga kazi kubwa kiasi gani? Yani labda tuseme bodi kama hizi ulishazitengeneza nyingi kwa mara moja kiasi gani? Like zilikuwa nyingi kiasi gani? 25. Na ilikuchukua muda gani?
Kubwa huu. Maybe 2 meters.
2 meters. Na ilikuchukua muda gani?
Nilifanya kama 3.
So he said
just canvas.
Okay.
Not painting.
Just preparing the canvas.
Because I have to prepare like this first.
Okay.
Then you go paint.
Okay.
Yeah, you
so
have to put maybe like 3 coats. For it to be soft like this.
3 coats.
Yeah.
And then you have to give it the ratio. Like when you paint first, then you leave it some time, then
dry, then you come back.
Paint again.
Yeah.
Wow.
So like
wow.
this one, you already 3 coats. This is ready for paint.
Okay.
But This one is the second point.
Okay.
So I come back later.
And do the third point.
Yeah.
Wow.
So these one are ready.
But you know how to paint also. I know you know. But you don't like painting. This is your job.
Yeah, this is what I do. Put their canvas. My little brother is painting. I think after this I can go to the office and show you how to paint.
Okay, so that's good. So I came here and this elderly man. Mzee shikamoo.
Marahaba.
Yeah, unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Ukwengwe.
Ukwengwe?
Yeah.
Mimi naitwa Mujubeli.
Mujubeli, eh?
Yeah. So I know you're an experienced person on this job. What is that wood?
This is ebony wood.
Ebony.
Very strong wood, yeah.
Yeah, I can see how you're doing it. It's wow, it's amazing. It's amazing.
Good.
So what are you trying to do there?
I'm trying to do elephants.
Okay, you're sculpturing elephant.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
And I can see the colors of that ebony makes that elephant looks nice even before it's ready.
Yeah, because ebony have two colors, out part white, inside the black.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's a very strong
wood.
Okay.
Yeah, strong wood.
And how long will it take you to finish?
This is 2 days.
2 days.
Make it finish, yeah.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. 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 I'm out of words. How many have you done? Many, like of these?
More than one month.
1 month. And
we
how?
get many pieces.
Okay, like 20 or?
Like 20 or 15.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm happy that you are doing this, and I know that you might have been teaching some other people to do this. Maybe your kids. Have you tried to teach your kids this?
Yes.
And are they doing also?
Yes.
Wow. Yeah. Interesting. Interesting. Well, I'm out of words, but this is the finished product, and I don't know how old is this elephant, but it looks very young. I mean, is it fresh? Just got birth?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so this thing has just gotten birth right here. Okay, so I think you saw this guy was painting the canvas, the white canvas, and now he's showing us his art. This is his art. He has different types of art in here, and you can see these are a very, very beautiful art, you know. It's unbelievable, like this is a human being's art, you know. It's unbelievable. This is so wonderful. It's so beautiful. Well, I'm out of words. So, ulisema umefanya hii kazi kwa muda gani?
5 years.
5 years. So you've been doing this for 5 years. And any challenges in this job?
There's some new upcoming artists. Big market competition. But it's quite interesting because every time you get something new. Yeah.
What is the effect of AI on this? Artificial intelligence.
Yeah, it's because you get some new ideas, new point of view. Like you can see different styles. From the first time when we start painting, we're using costly paint like this, Maasai knives.
Yeah.
This is the first time. But they start evolving. Paint start evolving. Come from this Maasai, the abstract,
to this,
to the realistic style.
To the realistic styles.
Challenging, but it's progressive.
So a piece like this will cost how much?
For a model like this, around $200.
$200. Wow. But it's realistic, so it makes
It
sense.
takes a lot of time.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense.
Mostly we have paint on canvas. Most of our clients are tourists. So we have to take them off the frame and roll them up.
Okay.
That's why we use canvas.
Okay. Hello, madam. Habari?
Nzuri za kwako.
Salama, unaitwa nani?
Naitwa Judith.
Wow, Judith. What a lovely name. Sasa unafanya nini, Judith?
Natengeneza bangili.
Bangili. So you're making bracelets.
Yeah.
You speak a little bit English?
Small.
Small. That's good. That's good for business, you know?
Thank you.
So this is the type of of that.
So, yeah.
Yeah, you are making right now.
Yeah, like this one.
Okay. So
And then
that's
can you wear like the, let me show you. You can wear like this one. This is my handmade.
I'm seeing. Wow, amazing. Amazing. Wow. So you have different colors.
Yeah, I have different colors.
And you have also,
That one.
wow. All these are made by beads.
And pound.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. I have more this time with bracelet tools.
These are bracelets.
Yeah.
Okay. And you also have piece of clothes. You have kitenge, you have kanga.
Make dress.
Wow, wow.
Have more shopping bags.
Shopping bags. Wow. Interesting. And this is just a first shop, you know? This is the first shop. You come in here, you just find this lady. Yeah. So that's the handbag. Wow, that's a big handbag.
Yeah.
Oh, so, okay. Wow. Okay, can you fold it again? Can you fold it again?
The same bag.
Can you wear like this one? And my sister, she make it this time
Okay,
at my village.
okay. And how much is that?
And I give you 45,000.
45,000.
Yeah.
Ooh,
And I
mama.
have different colors.
Can you punguza the
But
bay?
calm down, don't worry. If you want, I come here and come down for my price.
Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. Okay, okay. I enjoy. I like the invasion. It's very creative. Yeah. Hebu niambie unaitwa nani?
Majina yangu naitwa Ibariki Lot Molel.
Molel, mzee Molel.
Yes.
Yeah. Wewe ni Masai wewe.
kabisa.
Sawa, yeye niliona duka lako lina vinyago vingi. Hebu njoo niambie bwana, vinyago, how much are these vinyagos? How much are these sculptures? Like
So it depends.
uh-huh.
We have different price
Mhm.
because of the sizes, because of the kind of things.
Uh-huh.
We have some things, we have woody things.
Uh-huh.
So it depends on sizes. Also prices is different, a little bit different.
Wow, you have invested. You have put a lot of energy in here.
Thank you so much.
And I believe you will make it. Like,
Thank you.
look at
Thank
this.
you.
This is very interesting.
Yeah,
Wow. 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 Wow.
Yeah, bicycle.
Wow. This is very interesting.
And it is handmade.
A handmade thing.
Handmade,
Yeah.
yes.
This is with banana.
Yep.
A
It's
guy.
banana.
Oh, wow. Okay. This is too much.
Thank you, bro.
So I'm in another shop with this lady. What's your name?
I'm Jessica.
Jessica.
Yeah.
Wow, you have nice fabrics, Jessica.
Thank you.
Wow, how much are these fabrics? How much like this shirt?
Shirts,
The African shirt?
45,000.
45,000.
Yeah.
Wow, that's very, very beautiful shirt. And what about these dresses?
This is 35.
35?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Wow, and the baskets too.
Can
Wow.
I show that one?
Yeah, can you show me, please? It's very African, you know?
Yeah.
And how much is that?
I give you for 30,000.
30,000.
Yeah.
Okay, but I know there is discount always.
Yeah, we have some discount.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm just showing you. People are doing their thing. Wow, this market is big. It has a lot to show. A lot to show. I can't finish it. This is too much. I can't finish it. So I've shown you basically what these people are doing, like physically, and then they are going to sell it. Mzee, habari?
Nzuri sana.
Pole na kazi.
Nashukuru Mungu.
Man, this guy is doing his job easily. I know you love what you're doing.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're my art.
Wow. Beautiful.
Custom.
Okay, I will. I'm trying to show to them so that they will come.
Show them this live by activity.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
no
Now
machine.
you're going to polish it.
No, I live natural. You must
Okay,
see
you
I
just
want
leave it.
natural.
Okay, these are natural stuff.
No
Okay.
polishing too much. Natural.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So Thank you, thank you. Have a good day. So, as you can see, more and more, it's more shops, more and more shops. So they're working on them. They are working and working and selling and selling. Wow, beautiful.
Thank you so much, bro.
Wow, wow, wow. Are you an AI or you are a human being?
I'm a human being.
Wow, impressive, impressive. Wow. So guys, this is what you see here. It's a lot. So many people selling stuff. I wish I could buy everything, but I can't. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Can you see my place here?
Wow, wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So guys, if you are coming to Arusha, expect this. Expect seeing all this. Expect seeing all this. It's a beautiful place to come and buy stuff, you know. So yeah, welcome everybody. Welcome to the Maasai Market, and enjoying being here. You will always enjoy being here. Yeah. So with that being said, I think I'll finish my video here, and you can see all this. You can see the women are working always. I couldn't finish to go every store, but at least you have seen the entry part is right there. So you can always go into from any part. Yeah. So yeah, with that being said, my people, I should say bye-bye for now till the next video. Okay.